It is super exciting to have the Reno 7 Pro 5G almost with us. And of course, today I figured let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing and a showcasing of some of the new unique features of this device. First and foremost, we're greeted with the phone right away, the Reno 7 Pro 5G. Flagship portrait camera system, new bokeh features, as well as 65-watt charging with the actual included charger. The back material is very unique, changes colors depending on how you're looking at it. One of the other things, of course, is that the charger is in the box. This one is a UK style. They include a USB Type-A to USB Type-C charger. And of course, the main benefit here that is also very unique is that ring around the light sensor or the camera sensors in the back. It allows us to actually see notifications in a very unique way, on top of the fact that we also have some of the main benefits with the ability of actually customizing it through the ColorOS implementation that we have in here. Last but not least, of course, they include a case for us to protect our device. And here is a quick showcase of the little bit of a glimmer that we get from it, depending on how the light from the sun is hitting it, and how it changes colors is even more miraculous. Like and subscribe for more content like this on the channel.